Today, we're diving into a common question among DoorDash users. Can you split payment on DoorDash? This query might seem simple at a glance, but it opens the door to a deeper discussion about the functionality and flexibility of payment options on modern food delivery platforms. Let's first understand what we mean by splitting payments. Splitting payments typically involves dividing the cost of a single transaction among multiple payment methods or individuals. This feature can be particularly useful for group orders or when users want to share the cost of a meal. As of now, the DoorDash platform does not directly support the option to split payments in the traditional sense that one might expect, such as you would see in various money-sharing apps or certain e-commerce platforms. When you place an order on DoorDash, the payment process is designed to go through a single source, be it a credit card, debit card, or another supported payment method. However, this does not mean that sharing the cost of an order on DoorDash is impossible. Users have found creative workarounds. For instance, one person could place the order and pay while others reimburse them through peer-to-peer payment apps like Venmo, PayPal, or Cash App. Though not as seamless as an in-app feature, this method allows for the financial burden of a group order to be shared. Another point to consider is the dynamic nature of digital platforms. Companies often update their apps and services in response to user demand. As such, the functionality for direct payment splitting could be a feature that DoorDash and similar platforms explore in the future. In summary, while DoorDash does not currently offer a direct way to split payment for orders within their app or website, users can still share the cost of orders by using external peer-to-peer payment services. It's a workaround that requires a bit of coordination, but ultimately achieves the goal of dividing up the cost of a meal. Thank you for watching. In the modern era of digital delivery services, understanding the functionalities and limitations of these platforms can help you navigate them more effectively. Keep this information in mind next time you're looking to share the cost of a DoorDash order. Stay informed and happy dining.